Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to kick someone from Discord server. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Kicking someone on your own server is easy, and I will guide you through the process. So first is select your server, and at the right side corner, you can see all the members of your server. Now keep in mind that if you have someone in your server that has a permission to kick, like admin and mods for example, they can also kick someone in your behalf. So now, just right click the person that you want to kick. Then at the bottom part, there's three choices to choose from. You can put a timeout, you can kick them, or maybe ban them in your server. So let's go ahead and kick this guy right here. And as you can see, you can add a message to that person on why you're kicking them out. And once you're done, just click kick and they're gone. So there you have it. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.